Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, the dua for sneezing. When someone sneezes, what should he or she say? And what is the dua for reply? So, if someone sneezes, he or she should say, Alhamdu Lillah is a ha from throat. Alhamdu Lillah. Alhamdulillah. This is the sneezing person should say this after sneeze. And if someone is next to him and he's listening, so he or she should reply Yarhamukallah. Yarhamukallah. And the sneezing person should reply again Yahdikumullahu wa yuslihu balakum. Yah is a ha, the light one. Yahdikumullahu wa yus is a sad and then ha. Wa yuslihu balakum.